Hello dear children, welcome to my YouTube channel Ashish Academy. Dear, in this video I am going to tell you some multiple choice question from class 10th. Dear, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel for new video update.
Question number first. Metals has so below property: A. brittleness, B. electricity non-conductance, C. malleable, D. soft. तो मेटल हैज सो बिलो प्रॉपर्टी, तो क्या होगा? इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा मेटल हैज सो बिलो प्रॉपर्टी, दैट मीन्स malleable. Metals are malleable. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेकंड. मेटल हैज नॉट शोन बेलो प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्या है? malleability, B. hard, C. create sound, D. softness. क्या होगा? That means D is the correct option. That means metal has not so below property. That means metals are very hard or not very soft. Okay. Next question. Question थर्ड की बात करें. The ability of metal to be drawn into thin wires is called. ठीक है, क्या कहते हैं? A. ductility, B. malleability, C. sonorous, D. conductance. Which is the correct option? That means the ability of metal to be drawn into thin wires is called ductility. That means A is the correct option. Yes. Question number 4. If metal can be turned into thin sheets, metal show A. malleability, B. ductility, C. metal sheet, D. electric conducting sheets. That means if metal can be turned into thin sheet, metals shows, that means malleability. That means A is the correct option. Next question. Question 5. These metals are poor conductor of heat. A. lead and aluminium, B. mercury and steel, C. lead and mercury, D. iron and aluminium. Which is the correct option? That means lead and mercury. That means C option. C is the correct option. Lead and mercury, these metals are poor conductor of heat. Question 6. Wires which used in homes that are coated with A. plastic, B. PVC, C. plaster of Paris, D. copper. So that means wires which used in a home that are coated with B, that means PVC. So wires which use in homes that are coated with PVC. Next question, question number 7. Carbon is an example of A. light gas, B. major element in the steel, C. non-metal, D. metal. The carbon is an example of C, that means non-metal. Carbon is an example of non-metal. Question number 8. लिखते हैं all metal except exit as solid at room temperature. A. aluminium, B. gallium, C. indium, D. mercury. Which is the correct option? All metal except exit as solid at room temperature. That means D option, mercury. Mercury at a room temperature. Yes. Question number 9. Gallium and have very low melting point. A. aluminium, B. sodium, C. mercury, D. cesium. Yes, this is the correct option. The gallium and cesium, that means D option. Gallium and cesium have very low melting point. Question number 10. Is non-metal but lustrous. Which is the non-metal but lustrous? A. chlorine, B. iodine, C. oxygen, D. hydrogen. Which is the correct option? Is non-metal but lustrous, that means B option. Iodine is non-metal but lustrous. Question number 11. Carbon exists in different form called allotropes, B. isomers, C. carbon compounds, D. carbon examples. Which is the correct option? So carbon exists in the different form is called A option, that means autotrophs. Yes. Question सेकंड की बात करते हैं, 12 की बात करते हैं. It is allotrope of carbon which conducting electricity. A. graphite, B. diamond, C. carbon compounds, D. carbohydrates. Which is the correct option? A. That means it is allotropes of carbon which conducting electricity, that means graphite. Next question. Alkali metal is soft in nature. A. Aluminium. B. Iodine. C. Iron. D. Sodium. Which is the correct option? Alkali metal is soft in nature. That means D option. Sodium alkali metal is soft in nature. They are very soft metal. Yes. Next question. When non-metal dissolve in water, A produces acidic oxide, B produces basic oxides, C produces salt, D produces gas. Which is the correct option? When non-metal dissolve in water, to produces acidic oxide. That means A option. A is the correct option. Yes. Question number 15 की बात करते हैं. बहुत अच्छे से आप देख रहे हैं प्यारे बच्चों. यदि आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें इसी तरह वीडियो पाने के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 की बात करते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द मेटल, ए प्रोड्यूसेस एसिडिक ऑक्साइड, बी प्रोड्यूसेस बेसिक ऑक्साइड, सी प्रोड्यूसेस साल्ट, डी प्रोड्यूसेस गैस. Most of metals produces basic oxide. That means B option. B is the correct option. Question number 16. Magnesium burns in air with. Magnesium burn with air. A. Dazzling black flame. B. Sooty flame. C. Dazzling white flame. D. Non-sooty flame. Which is the correct option? Magnesium. तो क्या होगा? A option. That means dazzling black flame. Question number 17. Metals with oxygen. What happened when metal react with oxygen? A. Metal oxide. B. Metal ash. C. Metal carbonate. D. Metal hydride. Which is the correct option? When metal react with oxygen to form metal oxide. That means A is the correct option. Yes. Question number 18. Copper is heated in air. Copper is heated in air forming white oxide, forming blue oxide, forming black oxide, forming green oxide. Which is the correct option? So copper, when copper is heated to forming black oxide. Yes. Which is the C is the correct option. Yes. Question number 19. Formula of aluminum oxide. What is the formula of aluminum oxide? A. Al2O2. B. Al2O3. C. Al2O. D. AlO6. That means Al2O3. कैसे? Al2O3. That means B. B is the correct option. Next question. Name of NaLO2. Yes. A. Sodium oxide. B. Sodium aluminum dioxide. C. Sodium aluminate. D. Sodium dialuminate. Yes. This is the correct option. Sodium aluminate. That means C is the correct option. What is the formula of NaLO2? Yes. Sodium aluminate. Next question. Protective oxide layer prevent that metal from A. Oxidation, B. Reduction, C. Substitutions, D. Elimination. Which is the correct option? Protective oxide layer prevents that metal from A. That means oxidations. Yes. Oxidation. Next question 22 की बात करें. Metal plus water, metal oxide, ऑक्सीजन क्या फॉर्मेशन होता है? मेटल ऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन, मेटल ऑक्साइड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मेटल ऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? तो व्हेन मेटल रिएक्ट विद वाटर टू फॉर्म मेटल ऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन, metal oxide and hydrogen. That means B is the correct option. Yes, B is the correct option. Next question. Ca, that means calcium react with water. Calcium react with water. एक second. Calcium react with water to form CaOH whole 2, B CaO, C Ca2. Which is the correct option? When calcium react with water to form A, that means CaOH whole 2, calcium hydroxide. Question number 24. Metals A react with salt solution of B. और क्या बनेगा? मेटल B. तो क्या है? A ऑक्साइड फॉर्म ऑफ A, B ऑक्साइड फॉर्म ऑफ B, और C salt of metal A, D salt of metal AB. Which is the correct option? Quick now. When metal A react with salt solution of B, क्या होगा? इसमें हो जाएगा आपका आंसर salt of metal A. Salt of metal A. That means C is the correct option. Next question. Question number 25. Electronic configuration of calcium. What is the electronic configuration of sodium? Sorry, calcium 2881, 2883, C 2882, 2888. Yes, this is the correct option. So 2882 is the correct electronic configuration of calcium. Next, क्लोरीन आयंस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन या क्लोराइड आयंस का जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा क्या होगा? 288, B 289, C 287, D 283. तो विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? तो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ क्लोराइड आयंस? 2888. दैट मीन्स A is the correct option. Yes. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. बहुत अच्छे से आप देख रहे हैं. इफ यू आर न्यू ऑन माई चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर न्यू वीडियो अपडेट. सोडियम क्लोराइड इज A covalent compound, B ionic compound, C partial bond formation, D double bond formation. Yes, this is the correct option. Ionic compound does sodium chloride is A बताया इन्होंने. तो what is the correct option? तो ionic compound, that means B is the correct option. Yes, तो सोडियम क्लोराइड is an ionic compound. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, नेक्स्ट की बात करते हैं. And are found in the free state. Which of the metal found in a free state? Yes, तो A platinum carbon, B platinum copper, C zinc mercury, D hydrogen oxygen. Which is the correct option? Yes, A. That means platinum and carbon are found in free state. Yes. Next question. Metals of medium reactivity through series show below methods of ore extractions. Yes, A roasting and calcination process, B refining, C oxidation, D reduction. Which is the correct option? तो metals of medium reactivity series below the methods of ore extraction, that means A roasting and calcination process से उन्हें हम क्या करते हैं? extract करते हैं, metal को अलग करते हैं. Next question. Cinnabar is ore of A lead oxide, B aluminium, C potassium, D mercury. Cinnabar is a ore of. Cinnabar किसका ore है? Yes, that means D मरकरी का जो है ओर है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 की बात करते हैं. सिनाबार हीटेड इन एयर व्हेन इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू A lead oxide, B potassium oxide, C mercury oxide, D sodium oxide. Which is the correct option? Yes, जल्दी से बताएं आप. हो जाएगा आपका मरकरी ऑक्साइड. दैट मीन्स C is the correct option. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. जिंक कार्बोनेट heated. When zinc carbonate heated, then carbon dioxide and in which types of compound are formed? A zinc oxide, B ZnC, C Zn, C ZnCO2. Which is the correct option? When zinc carbonate heated, that means A zinc oxide and carbon dioxide का formation होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 की बात करते हैं. रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन एक सेकेंड. Rusting of iron cannot be prevented by A oiling, B painting, C anodizing, D dusting. Which is the correct option? That means rusting cannot be prevented by dusting. Dusting is not any process which can be prevent metal from the rust. Yes. 24. When iron is mixed with nickel and chromium, we get, yes, A bronze, B gold, C steel, D aluminium. Which is the correct option? That means C is the correct option. Next question. चलिए लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. चलिए हमको एक रिवीजन देख लेते हैं. रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन कैन नॉट बी प्रिवेंटेड. डस्टिंग. व्हेन आयरन इज मिक्स्ड विद निकल एंड क्रोमियम वी गेट स्टील. नेक्स्ट. cinnabar heated in air, then it converted into mercury oxide. नेक्स्ट. जिंक कार्बोनेट हीटेड, देन जिंक ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का फॉर्मेशन होता है. मेटल्स ऑफ मीडियम रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज सो बेलो मेथड्स ऑफ ओर एक्सट्रैक्शन, रोस्टिंग एंड कैल्सिनेशन प्रोसेस से अलग कर सकते हैं. सिनेबार इज अ ओर ऑफ मरकरी. 27. सोडियम क्लोराइड इज आयनिक कंपाउंड. Yes, and are found in free state platinum and carbon. Electronic configuration of calcium 2882. Chloride ions configuration 288. calcium when react with water to form calcium oxide, metal of A salt solution of B, then salt of metal A and metal B formation होता है. Next, protective oxide layer prevent the metal from oxidation. Metal react with water to form metal oxide and hydrogen. Next, formula of aluminum oxide Al2O3, name of NaLO2, that means sodium aluminate. Question 17, metal react with oxygen to form metal oxide. Copper is heated in air to form forming black oxide. Yes, most of metal produces basic oxide. Magnesium burns in air with dazzling black flame. Question number 13, sodium alkali metal is soft in nature. When non-metal dissolve in water to form produces acidic oxide. When carbon exists in different forms called allotrophs, it is allotrope of carbon which conducting electricity, that means graphite. Gallium and cesium have very low melting point. Iodine is non-metal but lustrous. Carbon is an example of non-metal. All metal exist in the solid at room temperature. Mercury. These metals are poor conductor of heat. Lead and mercury. Wires which used in homes that are coated with PVC. The ability of metal to be drawn in thin wires is called ductility. If metals can be beaten into thin sheet, metals show malleability. Metals has so bellow property malleable. Metal has do not so bellow property softness.
Thank you for watching the video. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. Do share the video with others so they can learn from this topic. Do subscribe my channel for regular video update. Again, thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.